So hey guys, and welcome to cyberzypher, and today in this video we are going to see how to solve this error in YouTube in your iPad. So this is like the most requested video in the channel ever. So today we are going to solve this. So let's get started. So for fixing this error, make sure that you have jailbroken your iPad. So if you want help with jailbreaking, or else if you want to jailbreak your iDevice, you can just refer my video. It's in the I button over there. Just click that and then you can just watch my tutorial and jailbreak your device. So I've already jailbroken, I have Syria and I have iFiles. So make sure that you have installed iFiles in your jailbroken iPad. Just open that, and then okay, this is glitching. So now open your iPad and now open iFiles. So I switch it to portrait because iFile is glitching. So now just go all the way back to your system. So this is the main home directory, and then just go to something called as VAR, and then from here just go to containers, and then from here go to bundle, and then from here go to application. Just go to application from here, and then you will be seeing a list of numbers and alphanumeric wording. So just you need to find out which is the one for YouTube. So just click them one by one and see and find out which one belongs to YouTube. So we have founded the youtube.app. So now just go to the folder, and now from here we have a list of folders, subfolders. So now from here you need to see a plist file. So where is it? So we need to locate info.plist. so it should be right here. So you can see it, info.plist. open that with property list viewer, and then you can see that we have the information about the YouTube app. We can just edit them. So from here you will be seeing something called as CF bundle short version string. Click on that and then edit that to something called as 14.17.10, but you need to just downgrade it according to your device. If your device just keeps on crashing YouTube, you should just move to 14.14 or 14.11. so I want my device to be more smooth and more stable, so I don't want any crashes or something like that. So I'm moving to 14.11 because this is an iPad 2. I'm moving to 14.11. You can just select your own number. So I'm going to 14.11. You just select according to your number, according to your device. I'll just display all those numbers in the display. So here I've typed 14.11. so let me just click go info.play. so we have came back, and then you should just see something called a CF bundle version, which is also the same number as the short string version. Just you just type the same number that you entered on that before. So now from here you can see that I've typed it. So let me go back and then click on done, and then you can see that it has created a backup file. So now we are done. So let's just go back and then make sure that YouTube's app is being closed, and now let's just launch YouTube. So so there we go. So we have YouTube fully loaded, and this is how you solve this error. If you like this video, just don't forget to give a like and share this video and subscribe to cyberzypher. And also our Discord server is alive. If you want, you can just go and join, link in the description box down below. And follow cyberzypher on Facebook, Instagram, and also on Reddit. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.